Hi folks, I'm Gary with WhiteEagleVideos. I'm here at the RTR 2018 just outside of Quartsite, Arizona. I'm flying high over the group of RVs from all over the country, from as far away as Canada and just about every state in the United States. And you'll see all types of RVs of every shape, size, and description. RTR stands for Rubber Tramp Rendezvous. They've been having for several years now, and I believe this was possibly one of the largest they've had in the past. I never did hear a number of people or how many RVs in total, but this was about the third day and people were still arriving. As you can see, this is a pretty vast desert. It's BLM, Bureau of Land Management, public land that anyone can camp on for up to 14 days with a permit. You can get the permit usually at a camp host site near the entrance of these different areas. I hope you enjoy the flight, and if you happen to see your RV, if you were here at the RTR 2018, leave me a comment down below the video. In the next video, I'll be walking around meeting some of the full-time RVers that are on YouTube and appreciating how much I've learned on my journey by watching some of their YouTube videos, learning a lot of tips and tricks that save a lot of money when you start traveling full-time.